Apple recently launched the iPhone 13 series with updated hardware. The iPhone 13 doesn't seem very new when you first look at it, but when you start using this flagship, you realize that it delivers a lot more than a smaller notch. But before we start, this time we are back with another giveaway. Now you have a chance to win iPhone 13. You don't have to do much. Just search for iPhone 13 giveaway in Google search. Now scroll down and search for our official website, Geotoko, which should be right down here, and enter the contest. That's it. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel for giveaway announcements. The iPhone 13 Pro looks remarkably similar to the iPhone 12 Pro, except for two key differences: the bigger camera hump and the smaller notch. The phones have the same squared-off look as the 12 series. The smaller notch is worthy of note. Apple says it's smaller than the one we're all used to. In practice, you can definitely tell the difference when you hold up the new phone next to an iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro has a 6.1-inch screen, and the 13 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen. In everyday use, the screens are noticeably brighter. Both of the new models feature OLED Super Retina XDR displays. Colors pop, there's plenty of contrast, and the viewing angles are great. The displays have what Apple calls ProMotion, meaning for the first time ever, support a high refresh rate. Depending on what's being shown on the screen, the refresh rate switches between 10 and 120 Hz. Animations look smooth, graphics are crisp, and even the scrolling feed looks better. The iPhone 13 lineup continues to offer built-in MagSafe technology in the form of a magnetic ring that is designed to connect to the MagSafe charger. Other magnetic accessories are compatible with the magnetic ring, including cases, sleeves, snap-on wallets, with third-party companies also able to make accessories for the MagSafe iPhones. New with the iPhone 13 series is the A15 Bionic chip. It features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU on the Pro models, plus an upgraded neural engine paired with 6 GB of RAM. The iPhone 13 Pro is a powerhouse, leagues ahead of the best Android have to offer. The A15 crushes the Snapdragon 888. The iPhone 13 Pro's graphical powers is not to be underestimated. The GPU in the A15 Bionic is powerful, with Apple claiming it's 50% faster than the competition. It's difficult to measure real-world gaming performance since Apple doesn't let you track frame rates in games, but the more intensive titles, like Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9, look great on the iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro comes equipped with 3 12-megapixel rear cameras, including a telephoto lens offering a 77mm focal length and 3x optical zoom. The main camera features a larger sensor and wider aperture this year at f1.5, so it can let in more light than before. The 12MP ultra-wide also received a larger sensor, as well as autofocus for sharper super wide-angle shots. It's in low light where the new phone really shines, and with the addition of the ultra-wide lens, there's a 6 optical zoom range and support for 15x digital zoom, along with the standard portrait mode, night mode, time-lapse, and other photographic capabilities. The iPhone 13 Pro models gain cinematic mode, a feature that uses rack focus to seamlessly shift focus from one subject to another, artfully blurring the background and creating movie-quality depth effects. The story of the iPhone 13 Pro is a story of iteration, sure, but iteration matters. iPhone 12 Pro owners will have to pay a lot of attention to see some of the differences, and an upgrade probably doesn't make a lot of sense. But if you're using something older, all that iteration comes on top of the major improvements from the iPhone 12 Pro. The upgrades will be very noticeable. Either way, when you start to pay attention to the details, prepare to be impressed. Also, don't forget to participate in the iPhone 13 giveaway. Hurry up guys, this is a limited time iPhone giveaway. We have other active giveaways, such as iPhones, iPads, and drones, so do check out other giveaways too. Maybe the next lucky winner will be you.